I'm going to show you the best free way to make money online with no website. So I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 to $200 a day, no technical skills or anything. I'm going to walk you through it so you can see how everything is set up. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip, because if you skip, you're not going to see how I'm going to set up everything. So let's dive into the video right now. Let's do this. The best part about this method, it is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you will be able to do this and you can make money. So $100 a day is what you can make, up to $200. And this is going to be the best free way how to make money online for beginners. And this requires no particular website. So let's do this. So if it's your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre. I make videos all the time. And if you subscribe, you're going to be the first one to know, so you could be in front of everybody else who sees the video that comes out, because that's how it works. You don't want too many people doing the same things because it's going to get saturated. So when you subscribe and you get that bell notification, as soon as you get it, I want you to check out the brand new videos that I put up for you, so that way you can get started. So I said, don't try to skip ahead. Let's dive right into the video and let's do this. Now, for this particular method, we're going to be using Clickbank. And Clickbank, there's other alternatives. If for some reason you're trying to sign up for Clickbank, you could sign up for other resources as well. For example, if you go to Market Health, if you go to markethealth.com, Market Health is a website that deals with everything about health and beauty, and it's a great affiliate program, as you can see here. So they've been around since about 1998. So if you want to join, it is free. You could see like the commission structure, highest conversion, advanced tracking, exclusive offers. You also get some recurring income, global offers, custom offers, and free resources. So that means you're going to get like landers, you're going to get banners, everything that you need to crush it online. So some of the products down here, you could come and take a look. But as I said before, it is free. You could sign up and it doesn't cost you anything. So back over to Clickbank. Clickbank is free as well. And how you're going to be able to do this, just sign up for it. And for this particular website, I'm going to go with, and this is more of into the cooking, into the cooking niche. So I'm going into the cooking, into the baking, into the winery, because this time a lot of people always trying to find different recipes, especially when it comes to consuming a certain type of food. Everybody always very careful and said, okay, I want to make sure that I'm eating the right food, because people want to look good. They want to lose weight. It is the summer right now shooting this video, but overall, it doesn't matter what time of the year, people always want to look good. They want to feel good about themselves. So this particular section of the Clickbank offers is something that is always a hot bread. I call it hot cakes. People are always trying to sign up for it. So once you come on here, you can see the different type of products. There's like keto resources, there's keto sweets, keto breads, and you want to go here where it says not popularity, but you want to go with gravity score. What gravity score means is that shows you the number of products being sold by different affiliates. So if you see a high gravity score, that means that there's over 119 or more affiliates. They sell this product for the day or the week. Likewise, down here, there's like 87. Down here, there's 76, 57, 21. And it doesn't matter if you have an offer which has a low gravity score. Most people think that, okay, well, it's high gravity score, so I'm gonna go with the high one. Sometimes the low ones, there's less competition and people would rather go for those than to go for these ones, because sometimes they've been advertised by top affiliates. And as I said before, this method that I'm gonna show you is absolutely free. So once you do that, we're going to look at the actual product. So let's go. So we're not going to go with plant-based. This is anabolic cooking. This is like muscle cooking book, and it's a 4.23. I'll probably go up with a little bit more metabolic cooking. This is fat loss. So I want to click on it, and this is like $10 for the offer. So it's $10 for the offer. It's a metabolic cooking book. You could come through here and it's beautiful. I like the colors. The colors look good. As you can see, she's probably the person who runs this, and she's taking pictures. So it looks good. Um, actually like the page, and people always want to read, especially when it comes to these things. It's best you have these type of these type of um these type of landing pages, especially rather than the video ones, because sometimes people really don't want to look at the videos and they just want to get straight, they just want to get straight to it. So right over here, I'm going to show you how you're going to get free traffic as well. But for this one, let's click on this and see what this looks like. This is also good, right? It shows you these pictures are good. It seems like it's converting. People like to read, and when they read, they understand, and they said, okay, this seems like it's something that I want to do. That's all it is. So for this, what we could do is we can screenshot this right here. So I'm going to screenshot this, just the header. So I'm going to screenshot. Okay, just screenshot that. And then we're going to head on over to Google. We're going to head to Google. So google.com/docs. So we're going to create a landing page using Google Docs. And you don't have to set up your ClickFunnels and everything, because we're doing free method, free traffic. So we're going to go the cheap route. So you click on create. You want to head on over here where it says blank. And once you click on blank, then this page is what we're going to be using for our landing page. So you want to insert the picture. All right, click on insert, upload from computer. And then once I upload it from the computer, then let me go to desktop, because I know, okay, so screenshot, click on desktop, there it is right there. Now, we want to put the affiliate link in this particular offer. So we click grab the affiliate link. So grab the affiliate link, and then we're gonna head back over to Google. And on this, you wanna right click, and where it says link, you put your link right here. Where it says paste your link, and you apply. So the link is in here, and then we can make this a little bit bigger if we want. All right, so make it a little bigger. Make it bigger. There we go. Okay. Now we need to move this over a little bit. So let's put this in the middle, center. Move this over a bit. Okay. Move this here. Move this here. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay, the margin. Oops, there we go. Put the margin over there, and then change the margin over there, right? So that's all it is. Set it up, put it over a little bit right there. I want to make this up a little bit more, and then put this down a little bit more. Make it a little bit bigger. All right, so that's good. So now what we're going to be doing right here, we can add this where it says get instant access now. So we could do that. We make this a little bit bigger. Make this to about, no, that's too big. Make it 36. That's too big. Make it 30. Boom. So we leave it here. We want to click on bold. We could change the color as well. Change it to, let's go with green. That's too green. Go with that green. Now we go here, and we want to add our affiliate link. So you highlight it, go up here where it says insert link, insert your link, apply. Now it's all set. So we got a link here, we got the link there. So this is our landing page that we're going to be using. All right, hope you're with me so far. So let's make this a little bit bigger. Right there. Okay. This is all set. So now what we're going to be doing is we are going to click on where it says share. But we're not going to share it yet. What we're going to do, we're going to find these free traffic. And free traffic can be found in various locations. For example, the first one could be Quora. So we could go to Quora and then we can find, we can put keto cooking. All right, there it is, keto cooking. Okay, answers, read up, nothing yet. We go to keto, ketogenics. Once you click on ketogenics, there's 9.2. There's loads of things. So we could come on here, we could share the page over here, and I'll share with you how you're going to do it. So you can copy this. It says private to me, where it says share. Once you click on share, then, okay, save before. So get access now, that's what we're gonna be doing. All right, add people to the group. So I'm the owner, restricted only people added that can open it. Okay, we don't wanna change that. Change this to anyone with the view, anyone with the link can view. So they can view, edit, we wanna make sure they only viewers. So they can view it, so we're gonna copy this link, head on over here, and we could just paste it right in here. So we click on paste. All right, so if you see that, so we can write some information. We can get pictures from Pexels. If you want to grab some pictures, we can go with health right there. Pixels, healthy, fitness. Everything that you need is right here you can use. You can type in weight loss if you want to. But once you do that, you just copy it and you just paste it there. So if you want to see the link, if I go here, you look at the link, it's going to come up and people can click on this and it will just take them directly to here. See that? Pretty sweet. So you don't have to worry about landing pages, capture pages. Just go right here on Google and just create it. So this is called, this is how you can access this without no money. And the next place that you could go to get heaps of tons of traffic is you go on Facebook. So when you go on Facebook and you could type in keto cooking, keto recipes, right? This is over 200,000 people. So you could join these groups. You don't want to go in there and start to spam like this one right here. You don't want to spam your links all over, but go in there, always read the rules. So you could click on it, read the rules, join it, look and see if it says absolutely no selling of products. That's totally okay. So some of these groups will say absolutely no selling of products, but you can post your groups, not spam your affiliate links all over the place. But when you post pictures and you get helpful tips that you can grab from Google, people are going to be commenting, engaging. And of course, that's when you can either private message people and shoot them your affiliate link. So once you get that, once you copy that link, you could say, hey, I found this product that I think will work best for you. If you want to take a look at it, not a problem. If not, I totally understand. And that's it. So you're just having a conversation. So there's loads of different groups that you could join. You could just join these groups. And when you join these groups, and it's not about keto, you can also create your own page. Create your own page and build it. And you could share your page in here and say, if you like stuff about keto, feel free to follow this page. So now you're going to have people following your page. You're posting daily on your page. And then that's how they will want to click on the links that you put together and people want to do business with you. So I hope you enjoy, because I'm telling you, you could make $100 a day just doing this every single day. So not spamming your link, but if you do it properly, you can make this money. And this is the best free way how to make money online for beginners with no website. You don't need any website to do this. Just follow the method that I share with you. And if you're looking for my number one recommendation, the way how I make money, the way I'm able to be at home and work consistently from home doing an online business. If you want to take things to the next level, you want to learn more about free traffic and you want to learn more about paid traffic, there's so many other ways out there that you can do this. So check out the first link in the description. I'll send you over my number one recommendation. And if you like it, check it out. And if you don't, hey, stick around and watch some more videos until you find something that is going to be your best fit for you. So thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next video.